Hello, and welcome back to Green Candle Global. I'm Sanjaya. In today's short episode, let's quickly understand what a share is and how it's different from a stock. Part 1. What is a share? A share is a single unit of ownership in a company. Imagine a company is divided into 1,000 pieces. Each piece is one share. If you buy 10 shares, you own 10 out of 1,000, or 1% of the company. Part 2. What is a stock? A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy stock, you are not just investing money, you are becoming a part owner of that company. Owning stock means you share in the company's success or failure. Part 3. Stock versus share. The word stock is a general term. It means ownership in one or more companies. The word share is more specific. It means the number of pieces of ownership you hold in a single company. Example, I own stock in Apple, or I own 50 shares of Apple. So remember, stock equals ownership as a whole. Share equals one piece of that ownership. If this video helped you understand the difference, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Green Candle Global for more simple explanations on investing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. Like, share, subscribe to Green Candle Global, hit the bell icon, and check out more videos below.